monthly drone news express. So for the month of November, the top 20 news are: November started with Gurugram-based Redbird Flight Training Academy setting up a milestone by becoming the first institute to have trained its first batch of pilots free of cost, including RPA manned by women pilots amid the government's push to encourage drone operations in the country. Awesome achievement for MOCA as the Finance Ministry has given its approval to the Civil Aviation Regulator DGCA to set up a separate drones directorate. The directorate will be established with 8 DGCA officials to begin with and will be expanding with time. International Crop Research Institute got conditional exemption on November 12, 2020 from DGCA for the semi-arid tropics for agricultural research activities within their research fields by using drones. Coming to the NPNT compliant drone family, another medium category drone named DART drone developed by Bangalore-based company General Aeronautics have successfully listed itself in the Digital Sky platform. In a sign of growing closeness between India and the United States amid conflict with China, the Indian Navy has inducted 2 Predator drones from an American firm on lease. The American origin drones have been inducted by the Navy under the emergency procurement powers granted by the Defense Ministry in the view of India-China border conflict. As per the news report by the print, Lieutenant General H.S. Panak has claimed that high-tech drones could have neutralized the intrusions at LAC, but India did not have them. Moreover, on the other hand, China is becoming a major exporter of armed drones and Pakistan is among its 11 customers. So India now needs to buckle up its armed forces by using high-tech drones to stop intrusion at LAC in future. We will become the drone capital of the world and we all need to work together to make this happen effectively, as said by the Joint Secretary of MOCA, Shri Ambar Dubey, to the Economic Times. He said that India is under the verge of huge development in the drone industry by setting certain examples like the Swamitva project, Garud portal, and also the initiative by Redbird for training of the drone pilots free of cost. Private sectors are also playing an important role for the development of the drone industry. Likewise, Dynamatic Technology has signed a MOU with the leading educational institution IIT Kanpur for jointly developing the drones for the armed forces. Now, this is what we call a step towards development. The Drone Federation of India has announced the Adopt Drones program to accelerate the adoption of AI-driven drone solution with the support from Amazon Web Services. The Reserve Bank of India has set up an innovation hub for the financial sector and appointed Senapati Krish Gopalakrishnan. The central bank had said that this will promote innovation across the financial sector by leveraging on technology and creating an environment which would facilitate and foster innovation. Now coming to the Indian agricultural sector, the Agriculture Ministry has sought aviation regulator DGCA's nod for allowing shortlisted private agencies operate drones to capture images of the rice fields in 100 districts to assess crop yields at Gram Panchayati level under the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Astonishingly, the Indian Army on Friday spotted 2 drones coming from the direction of Pakistan and hovering around the international border in Samba sector of Jammu and Kashmir at around 6 p.m., which means that India needs to buckle up and get ready for such intrusions. ADA and IISc Department of Aerospace Engineering has collaboratively developed and flight tested the country's so-called first of its kind Delta Wing UAV powered with microjet engine propulsion. Drone Delivery Canada Corporation, with assistance of its sales agent Air Canada, has executed a letter of intent with CSC Drone Aviation and shall work together to analyze market opportunities in India for DDC Condor drone delivery. The war between Armenia and Azerbaijan has laid a huge effect on the Indian military. In a recent tweet, Major General G.D. Bakshi said that the Chinese are deploying Turkish-type tank killer drones in Ladakh, and so India needs to be very careful and deploy adequate countermeasures to ensure that tanks do not get plinked like Armenian tanks. India successfully test fires quick reaction surface to air missile system off the coast of Balasore to Orissa coast at around 3:50 p.m. launched from ITR Chandipur. Singapore-based F-drones have successfully completed the first commercial night drones delivery on November 16, 2020. Sadly, Amazon.com lays off dozens of employees involved in its in-house drone delivery program as it shifts to third-party companies to help expand the efforts. Happy to hear that SONY will be getting into the drone business with its new AirPeak project, and its contribution will be in the fields of camera drones, which will be based on the company's imaging and sensing expertise. Aerotics Technology stepped in the drone industry with a massive achievement. They launched India's first ever multi-rotor drone RPAS operating training manual. That's all we have for this month. Hope you have liked our video. Do leave your feedback in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe our Drone Helpline YouTube channel and share our video.